All right, so for today's activity, what we're going to be doing is a Briggs-Myers typology test. Okay, and this is knowing and understanding your personality, and it might help you find what careers you're interested in. So you're going to take a personality test. So if you click on this link right here, you'll go out here to this human metrics, and we're going to do this first one, this personality test. Okay, so you're going to take the free test. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are just going to answer these questions. Okay, so there's yes, and then there's yes. So that means yes, I really agree. And this one means yeah, I agree. There's uncertain, and then there's no, and then there's really no. So that means no, absolutely not. This is like no, and this is I don't know. Okay, so you're going to go through and you're going to answer these questions. They're simple questions, and there's 64 of them. When you're done, you're going to hit score it. Okay, and then they're going to come up with some information and tell you what your personality type is and some things that are interesting to you and maybe some jobs that might be interesting to you. Okay, so then you're going to tell me what your type is. You're going to tell me who some famous people who have similar types. You're going to tell me what jobs you're usually successful at. And these all come from this report in this test. It's all going to come from this report, okay? So after you hit score it, after you hit this, you're going to get a report. And that report is going to help you answer all of these questions, okay? And that is it for today.